Ayan, Mama Berna. Maganda ba sa'yo ang beach? Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying the beach? Yes? Okay. Lakad tayo sa harapan. Okay, this is the beautiful beach of Nusa Dua Hotel. And this is where I was chilling out, the hammock. Maganda talaga yung yung beach na maraming mga trees. With all the trees, hindi mo na kailangan ng umbrellas. Yes, kasi you have a natural shade. Yun lang advantage. Kaya you have the wind also blowing into your face. Daming mga puno. Kaya ang ganda. So this is a 9-hectare property of Nusa Dua Hotel and Spa. Kunin natin ang close-up. Yes, that's the name. And in this resort, they have a total of 5 restaurants. So you can choose whether you want Japanese or Asian food or Italian food or Chinese. Yeah, so many choices. Ayan, that's the Tamarind restaurant where we had lunch the first day. And in here you can also have your meals, and that's going to be your roof, the trees. Yes, it's very, very nice, and you can have your feet on the sand while you're enjoying your food. It's very, very windy, but everything is nice so far. And if you're going to stay here at this resort, you're surrounded by luxury hotels. On the left side is Sofitel, and on your right side is the Westin. So you can do hotel hopping. One of the best things we do is hotel hopping at least every other day. Hello! Ito, nagbebenta. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Wow. Marami din palang mga vendors who are selling for pasalubong. Dami rin mga duyan, Berna, no? Okay, tsaka yan maganda, oh. Meron siyang pathway papunta sa... So ideally, the building is about 4 floors. And you have the view of the ocean or just the garden. That's Berna in front. She's waiting for me. Just, to walk this 9-hectare property is already a lot of exercise. Ay, naglilinis na sila. Maingay na yung mga machines. They're quite noisy. Ayun, medyo pinatay yung machine. So at least we can enjoy the atmosphere with not much noise. Yes. Ganda. Ganda rin tong Nusa Dua. Ayan, naglilinis. Hello! Hi! Hello. Thank you, thank you. Quite noisy, ah. Yeah, okay. And right on my right side here, there's a temple for the Balinese where they can worship. Yan, ang ganda, oh. Everything looks really nice. And you can hear the birds every morning. Ang ganda naman ng tree na yan. Ano kayang tree yan, no? Alam mo kung anong tree yan, Berna? Ito yung maliitong nasa likod ko. Ganda. Ganda, yung room natin nasa taas. That's a Bodhi tree? Palagay ko, that can be a Bodhi tree, no? Oh, kasi sikat yung mga Bodhi trees dito eh. Kung saan nagpipray si Buddha. Yan, yung kwarto namin, nandun sa 4th level, oh. Ang dami mga ducks, oh. Wow. Yun ang nadidinig namin tuwing umaga. Sa likod ni Berna is the temple. Yes, dito sa mga resorts, maraming mga temples. Yan, maingay talaga yung grass cutter. Pinibigyan lang tayo kanina. Okay, they're cleaning up. That's why maingay yung grass cutter. Nga, it's a Bodhi tree, Berna. Looks like it, no? Alam mo ba ano yung tsura ng Bodhi tree? Yan, search natin sa sa Google. So we're back to our room. Room 2020. Ayun na si Berna going inside. Okay, ito kwarto namin, small, 40 square meters. Okay, yun yung nag-grass cutter, but let me show you again the Bodhi tree. Yes, that's the Bodhi tree. We'll search. Every morning I see it having my coffee. Alright, thank you for watching the vlog.